for the procurement of arms and ammunition for the armed guards of the prisons. As you know, that there is need to secure all our prisons, particularly where we have inmates that require maximum security. And also, if you recall, not too long ago, our prison in Mina was attacked from the outside. People came armed and attacked the prison and freed some of the dangerous prisoners. The prison has an armed squad. We realized after investigation of that attack, we realized that one of the major shortcomings within that prison was lack of adequate arms and ammunition. So this we presented, we are procuring 400 pieces of Beretta assault rifles with 20,000 rounds. These rounds are peculiar to those weapons at the cost of 272,489,280 naira, with a period of delivery of 120 days.